the visitor center. We haven't gone in there yet because I don't think it's open. But I mean, the view of this from up here is spectacular. I mean, look at that. The islands and the beauty. See how big that island is, Terry? We would have had to go around that.
Yeah, it's huge.
That's just holy moly. And the lake is only half full. If you take a look at that, the ring, it's got like a bathtub ring. Here's the trail parking lot, but it gets filled very quickly. They don't really have a lot of spaces to park. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. So we're gonna go 2.2 miles down the trail. It goes through 5 tunnels. Hey Terry? Yeah. You ready for this hike? Some good views on this trail. Coming up to a kiosk. You see the campground way out there. All right, so this was the network of railroads.
Oh, we got a picture of that.
And look at that beautiful view from up here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see the Hoover Dam from up here, but we might. We still got another probably just about 2 miles left. But it's great views, and in the morning, this is the best time to come here in the morning.
If you want to go up there.
Oh, I see. That's what this is.
Yeah, we're here.
Let me take a picture of the freaking trail.
I mean, the rocks are so colorful here. I've never been on this trail before, but I would definitely do this again. Not a lot of people. It's a Sunday, but there's not a lot of people here.
There's somebody in it. It's over here.
We haven't hit the first tunnel yet, so I'm still waiting for that. Terry's behind me.
Look at all the parking. Look how much parking.
How's your legs feeling on this little hike?
Hey,
Pretty good. I still have energy.
And this is the old railroad, rail to trails.
Yeah. And it's actually pretty gradual. It's mostly flat.
Okay,
The
not too bad.
yeah, this is where we should have probably put our kayak in. I mean, it's the marina,
Oh, we're the nice and
and
flat.
it used to be up there a little bit, but they moved it closer to these. I guess it's better because it's probably closer to these mountains, and it's. I have no idea why they moved it.
Over here too.
It is protected from the wind. It's like in a cove.
We could have went all the way out here, maybe.
Yeah, it's. But take a look. There's a.
That would have been pretty cool. That would have went all the way around the boat.
It's a tour boat. That's a paddle boat.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I wonder what the cost is for that.
So we got the paddle boat. We got a bunch of other people. I have no idea what some of that stuff is, but that's a big, dirty, old area. Now, this all used to be under the water. I wonder how far it went.
Look at the top of the mountain.
It used to be, okay. So maybe this area here is where it used to be,
Well,
where the parking
the road
was.
stops right there. It might have been really close to that road.
Yeah, I think it was past that. I think they added more asphalt. But it is a super cool view from up here.
It's all graffiti.
Well, let's go in the first tunnel. The old rail tunnel. It's pretty tall. It's got a really tall ceiling. If you look at the ceiling, it started to collapse right about here, and they put in some braces to so it wouldn't fall down on people. It's all wood. It's kind of neat though. So this is tunnel 1 of 5. So we still have 4 more to go. And when you come out of this one, you get this view. That's a nice view. And then we got Terry, rest of this. You liking this hike already? It is a really nifty hike. I would suggest this if you come out to this Lake Mead. I would suggest this hike. It's worth it, but make sure you come out in the morning, because you come out midday, you're going to be really, it's going to be super hot.
Oh yeah, and bring plenty of water.
We got some water. We need to take a water break sometime too. Seems like all the tunnels are about the same. They got some weak spots in each one. I think this one also has a weak spot. You can see it, where they actually put looks like an ocean can to protect the hikers from being hit. But you can see all the how they had to basically dynamite this hole. Oh, the timbered tunnels. Here's where it talks about the weak spots of the tunnel where it comes in, and there's bats in here. There's Terry. She's doing her videoing.
Two used to be that freaking high. And some of these mountains you didn't see it. Like all these small ones, you didn't see it underwater.
Yeah, they were underwater.
The only one you could see is the one at the top. And the other one.
Sure is a sight. That is super cool. All right. So we're going in this last tunnel here.
Riding through the avenue, gotta let him know them I'll be back when I'm back in a Maybach trunk full of stacks, candy paint all black.
It's rocks.
Kicks on my whip, all chrome.
It is it's just colorful. It's just really pretty.
Let him know them I'll be back when I'm back in a Maybach trunk full of stacks, candy paint all black. "24/7, 365, waited too long, now is my shine. I'm stunning when I'm running in the limelight."
Yeah, so it shows where we are here along that trail system.
Yeah, so a little further up, we can make it to further.
Talks about the dam, what it produces, electricity, so much water. Here's some of the generators.
Yeah. Oh wait, this is the other direction. 2.2 miles to the Lake Mead Visitor Center is where we came from.
Yeah, 2.2.
Does it talk about the
We
dam?
didn't see any of those yet.
No.
Maybe on the way back, I don't know. But you can see they got a little trash. The bound, this is where the other hike is, 2 miles further. And they got all these helicopters, the tour helicopters, I imagine. But it's this is your little roundabout, and it closes at dusk. They have a bathroom, and then that's the 5th tunnel. Looks like there's a parking lot up above it, which I guess that just goes to a viewpoint. That's all, and you can see there's somebody with a trailer coming over.
I got my eyes on you since you came in the room. Boy, just come over here. I'm waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor. No, 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 no. I want the attraction when I'm in the club. I want you to want me, cause I want your love, baby. waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor.